How was your trip?
It was great.
Was the weather good?
No, it wasn't. On Friday, it rained all day. On Saturday, it was very windy. And on Sunday,
And the film, was it good? Did people like it?
Yes,
Yes.
it was, and yes, they did.
Did you go to the party after the film?
yes, we did.
Did you meet any film stars?
We did. We met Brian Goosley.
Really? Did you talk to him?
Yes, Pi, we did. Hello, pleased to meet you.
Oh, just that? Did you take any photos?
I didn't.
But I did. Look,
That's not Brian Cosley. That's food. Why did you take a photo of food?
because it's fantastic, and I'm hungry, very hungry.
Oh,